This video is designed to show you some of the key concepts we discussed in Solving Equation Lesson 2-15. Our goal for today is to be able to solve equations by guessing and testing values for the variable. So that's what all we're going to be doing today. We're going to be guessing and then testing to make sure our answers are correct. I know some of you are familiar with the try, check, and revise strategies, and it'll look a lot like that. The key terms that we're going to be looking at today is equation and then also solution. Now what I'm going to do is look at 21 divided by f. I'm going to show you how this problem may look when you're doing it. Okay, so what I'm trying to figure out is when I take 21 and I divide it by a certain number, that means it's going to give me 7. I have to figure out what the value of f is. So 21 divided by what number will give me 7. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this problem out. So if I take 21 and divide that by, let's say, 4. Okay, I'm going to try it out. 4 goes into 21 5 times. Right away I know that's not going to work, so I don't give up on the problem. I'm just going to simply erase this. If you're doing this in your math journal, you'll just do it off to another spot. So now I'm going to try, I know the previous number did not work. Now I'm going to try 21. I'm going to see what it looks like when I divide it by 3. So I take 3 into 21. I know that goes 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. I have 0 for my remainder. Okay, so that means that problem works. Okay, so now I need to have my solution. Okay, so 21 divided by 3 that I just saw does give me 7, so my answer is f equals 3 for my final answer, because 3 is the value of f that would give you that final answer of 7. Now I'm going to do another, which is 24 minus w equals 12. When I'm trying to figure out if I take 24 and I subtract it by this particular number, that means then I will get 12. So I'm going to try some problems here. So I'm going to take 24, and my first guess is going to be 11. So I'm going to subtract 11 from 24. Now I know that gives me 13. So that means that problem did not work. I tried a problem, I checked it. Okay, it does not work at all. So now I'm going to revise it. I'm going to erase this part here. I'm going to try a new number. So I'm going to try 12. 24 minus 12 equals 12. Okay, and that's going to work for the problem. Okay, so that would mean that 24 minus 12 will give me 12. So that means the solution of this problem is w equals 12. That means when I replace that variable with the number 12, it will give me the correct answer in my subtraction problem here. And those are some of the key concepts we went over today in lesson 2-15.